guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, isasama ko kayo sa pupuntahan namin and isi-share ko sa inyo ang aming buhay probinsya. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba yung paligid ko ngayon? Very nature. We're in the middle of nowhere. Char! Ayan, so pupunta kami ngayon sa falls guys and ayan, naririnig nyo naman po yung agos ng tubig. Medyo malakas na siya kasi malapit na ako doon. Nandito ako sa taas and pupunta sa baba. Tapos, iniwan na ako ng mga kasama ko guys sa kaka-vlog ko. Ayan, hindi ko na sila naririnig. So, yung pupuntahan namin ngayon guys ay pinupuntahan namin nung mga bata pa kami. So, sobrang tagal na hindi kami nakapunta doon. So, sabi ko sa mga pinsan ko, let's go! Ayan, mag-adventure tayo today. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Ayan, maglalakad muna ako kasi ang hirap na... So, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung daan namin dito. Sobrang ganda. Hindi makaka-relate yung mga rich kid. Ayan, marami tayo dito. Bilhin nyo na guys. Sobrang dami. Ayan. And guys, ito ang aming iconic bridge. Ayan. So, kung na-try mo na maglakad sa ganito and kung meron kayo nito sa inyong probinsya, comment down below. Ganito guys, dapat hawakan nyo yung tsinelas nyo kasi baka mapunta sa baba. Yun yung technique. Tignan nyo sila guys. Oh, pakita mo yung mga tsinelas nyo guys. Ayan. Ay, Diyos ko! Ngayon yung mga madiskarta sa buhay. Oh my God! Ayan. Ay! Pinagdaanan namin guys, but it's worth it. So ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys yung waterfalls.
I'm back! Rock Dungeon! Oh my gosh! Hi! Mae World!
So guys, ito po yung ulam namin mamaya. Lulutuin na namin. Tinolang manok na native.
From the top, make it drop, that's some wet, that's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop, that's some wet, that's some wet, that's some wet, that's some wet. Macaroni in a pot, that's some wet, huh?
low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Ginagawa nyo?
Kumukha ng ng seashell.
Pwede bukbukaig dita?
Here, I got it.
Wow! More pala. Akala tayo si Daanday girl.
True, gaga.
So, nung mga bata kami, kumukuha po kami ng ganyan sa Karayan. Ano ba yung Karayan girl?
River, ganun na.
Sa river?
Mas madal. Ay, meron pa. Oh my God. Sige, tagakuha ka, bless. Tapos makapakita ako, di ba? Perfect.
Guys, this is so masarap. Ayan, meron pala sa ilog to. Akala ko dati sa ano lang, sa river.
Meron kaming ganito na kinukuha sa Dubai, pero mas malalaki siya.
Oh.
Sa dagat.
Ang laki, girl! Ano yan, girl?
Oh my God, it's gas.
Girl, ano yan?
It's pakpaku. Oh my gosh. Like, edible praise siya. Actually, masarap na ginagawa siyang salad or something with bagoong. Fish sauce. Fish. Oh my God, nabubulog ako. Fish sauce. Oh my gosh. Pero,
Saan nakukuha yan?
dito lang sa gilid-gilid talaga siya nakukuha. Pag pupunta kami dito noong mga high school days or something, ito yung mga pupuntan namin kasi walang budget, walang pangbangos na tinuno, inihaw. Anyways, that's it. Char.
Anong nilalagay dyan?
Bagoong, if you have like tomato or something, you can make it into a salad. Like it's a healthy diet, like turbaness. So, you know, it's everything.
Okay, patunayan mo nga, kainin mo yung isa.
Wait lang, yung this one, I tried, may dahon. It's everything. Talaga.
Hey guys, now, pauwi na kami and hindi ko na lang sasabihin ko. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes!
Roar!
Oh my God. Pagod na ako.
So, kung gusto niyo din pumunta dito guys, ilalagay ko po sa description yung kung paano pumunta. Ayan, yung address and everything. Napagod ako kaya lutang ako guys. So, ayan. Please don't forget to share, like and
subscribe.
bye!
Bye!
See you in my next adventure. Oh,